Hello and welcome to our unboxing video to Yu-Gi-Oh! Premium Gold display. So here we just got 5 boxes. We gotta open one. Just one booster with 10 cards. So what do we got here? Oh yes, oh baby. Belts from the Diabolic Dragons. Just Jinzo, Chaos. And yes, so very nice first booster. Now we gotta open the second one. Oh yes, Lifer. Des Vostergolf. Bottomless Trap Hole. Oh yes. And yes. And the third one. One of the gimmick puppets, number C15. Another one, all the same. Now we gotta open the fourth. Oh yes, Liver, gimmick puppets, Wobby, another Mirror Force, and Coastal Warrior. Yes. And now the last package. Yes. And the Mirror Force. And yes, this was our unboxing videos of the Premium Gold package.
Thanks for watching.